Harsh industrial environments demand more than standard UPS systems can deliver. In tough conditions, you need power protection that's reliable and resilient. Introducing Vertiv PowerUPS 6000 Industrial, engineered for light industrial applications. It provides backup power for controls and automation systems, supporting critical operations across oil and gas, transportation, steel, healthcare, and food and beverage industries. Output transformers add galvanic isolation to protect sensitive connected power electronics. It has an IP42 rating that protects against moisture, and a dual-compartment air duct design that isolates sensitive electronics, improves thermal performance, and keeps contaminants away from critical components. It operates reliably in ambient temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, with conformal-coated electronics and rugged cabling that protects against dust and harsh industrial conditions. Advanced Insulated Gate Bipolar Transistor, or IGBT rectifiers, provide clean, stable power across a wide input range. True front access design, faster maintenance, and flexible cable entry options simplify installation and upkeep even in tight electrical rooms. Built-in monitoring and diagnostics enable real-time system visibility, precise metering, and component health insights through an intuitive touchscreen human-machine interface. Maximize uptime, reduce costly interruptions, and maintain peak performance even in the toughest environments with Vertiv PowerUPS 6000 Industrial. Ask a Vertiv representative today.